Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot or capture on your Android, especially in Redmi 13. So all you have to do, just try to search manually screenshot, and you can tap it. Here there is there are three ways. For example, three finger swipe down, you can take a full screenshot. Three finger touch and hold, you can take a partial or scrolling screenshot. And also take a full screenshot by power and volume down buttons. Here, for example, this is the example. Swipe down, touch and hold with three finger, and then drag and touch, hold with three finger, and swipe to the bottom edge to scrolling a screenshot. And also, if you are using smart bar, you can create or add shortcut here, screenshot shortcut, for easier to access it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.